Hi everyone. In this lecture we have to discussing about definition of the tenders and classification of tenders. So first definition of the tender. It is an invitation from the owner to the contract to execute the some work at specified cost in specified time. Okay, it is the published in the form of tender notice in newspapers, notice boards, guest house, etc. according to the cost of the work. Okay, that is called the tender. Next, classification of tenders. It is the so many types of tenders. First one is open tender and the oral talk or written document between the engineering and the contractor for certain small jobs to be performed. Okay, sometimes it is the advertised. Okay, that is called the open tender. Next, second one, sealed tender. Invite for the important or hug project wide publicity is given. Only written documents are made. Okay, that is called the sealed tender. Next, third one, limited tender. Only a selected number of contractors are invited to quote their rates. It is called limited tender. Next, single tender. Invitation is given to only one firm to tender service by quoting their rates. If the quoted rates are high, it will be the negotiation period to the agreement of the cost of the contract. Okay, that is called the single tender. Next, fifth one, rate contract, usually adopted for the supply of the materials, machines, tools, plants, etc. item to be stored the places. It specify the supply at the fixed rate during the period of the contract. The quantities are not mentioned in the type of contract, and the contract is bond to accept any order which could be placed before him. Okay, that is called the rate contract. Next, processing for the inviting the tender. So first, prepare the tender document, and second one, issue of the notice inviting tender or tender calls notice, and third one, submission and the opening of the tender and their security. So fourth one, acceptance of the tender, award of the contract. Thanks for watching.